Selling online has never been more exciting or more competitive. With e-commerce booming, business owners are constantly looking for ways to stay ahead. But let's be real, running an online store can be overwhelming. Managing inventory, handling customer support, processing orders, and marketing your products, it's a lot. That's where AI automation comes in. Imagine having a set of smart tools that handle repetitive tasks, free up your time, and help you scale faster. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just possible, it's happening right now. AI is revolutionizing the way e-commerce businesses operate, and if you're not using these tools, you're leaving money on the table. In this deep dive, we're exploring the best AI-powered automation tools that can take your online store to the next level. From chatbots that provide 24/7 customer support to AI-driven marketing that boosts conversions. These tools will not only save you time but also maximize your profits. Let's jump in. 1. AI-powered chatbots for customer support. Customer service is one of the biggest challenges in e-commerce. Customers expect quick responses, and if they don't get them, they'll move on to a competitor. That's why AI chatbots have become a game changer. Tools like Tidio, Chatfuel, and Gorgeous use AI to provide instant replies to customer inquiries. They can handle frequently asked questions, assist with order tracking, and even recommend products based on customer preferences. The best part, they're available 24/7, meaning your business never sleeps. You're essentially hiring a virtual assistant that works around the clock without needing breaks or vacations. Take Gorgeous, for example. It's designed specifically for e-commerce businesses and integrates seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. It doesn't just answer basic questions, it also pulls customer data, so it can provide personalized responses, making shoppers feel valued. If you're running an online store and not using a chatbot, you're missing out on sales and customer satisfaction. 2. AI-driven email marketing tools. Email marketing remains one of the most powerful ways to drive revenue, but manually crafting and sending emails is a time-consuming task. AI-powered email marketing tools take care of everything from writing subject lines to segmenting audiences and even determining the best time to send emails. Platforms like Klaviyo, Omnisend, and MailChimp's AI tools use machine learning to analyze customer behavior and send targeted messages that drive conversions. For example, Klaviyo's AI engine can track a customer's journey and send automated emails at key moments like a discount reminder when a shopper abandons their cart. Omnisend takes it a step further by using predictive analytics to anticipate what a customer might buy next. Instead of blasting the same message to everyone, these AI tools make sure each email feels personal and well-timed, leading to higher open rates, more clicks, and more sales. 3. AI-powered inventory management. Stocking too much inventory. You waste money. Not stocking enough, you lose sales. Inventory management can make or break your online store. AI automation tools like TradeGecko, now QuickBooks Commerce, Inventory Planner, and Skubana use machine learning to predict demand, track sales trends, and optimize stock levels. These tools analyze past data and external factors like seasonal trends or sudden spikes in demand to ensure you always have the right products in stock. Instead of guessing how much inventory you need, AI helps you make data-driven decisions, reducing waste and maximizing sales. For example, Inventory Planner predicts which products will sell out soon and suggests restocking before you run into supply chain issues. It also helps identify slow-moving inventory, so you don't waste resources on products that aren't selling. With AI-powered inventory management, you eliminate guesswork and prevent costly stock issues. 4. AI-generated product descriptions. Writing compelling product descriptions for hundreds or even thousands of products is exhausting, but skipping this step means missing out on sales. That's where AI-generated content comes in. Tools like Copy.ai, Jasper, and WriteSonic use natural language processing (NLP) to create engaging, SEO-friendly product descriptions in seconds. Just enter a few details about your product, and these tools generate high-quality descriptions that highlight key benefits and appeal to your target audience. They also optimize text for search engines, helping your products rank higher on Google. Some AI writing tools even personalize content based on customer behavior. If a shopper is browsing athletic gear, the AI can tweak product descriptions to emphasize performance and durability. This isn't just a time saver, it's a revenue booster. Well-written product descriptions drive higher conversions, and AI ensures consistency across your entire store. Final thoughts. E-commerce is evolving fast, and AI automation isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. These tools free up your time, boost efficiency, and increase revenue. Whether it's chatbots providing instant customer support, AI-generated emails improving engagement, or machine learning optimizing ad campaigns, the impact of automation is undeniable. The best part, you don't need to be a tech expert to use these tools. Most of them integrate seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Amazon, making implementation easy. The future of e-commerce belongs to those who embrace AI. As the industry becomes more competitive, leveraging automation isn't just a smart move, it's essential for staying ahead. So, if you're still handling everything manually, it's time to rethink your strategy. AI can do the heavy lifting while you focus on scaling your business, improving customer experiences, and increasing profits.